We're going to demonstrate the sniff lift. So with this, basically the level of about your belly button is approximately the middle balance point for your body. And the middle point of the stool on the top of it is the balance point for the stool. So we're going to demonstrate with the sniff lift. So you get yourself in position, so you're going to lift. You are balanced and you have the middle point of the stool as close to you as possible. You do your quick sniff, hold it, and then lift. And you can relax. Before you put it down, you're going to do another quick sniff. This allows you to activate your core, and you then place the stool down and relax. Now, if you were to lift without the sniff, what did you notice?
It's definitely more of a struggle and a little more off balance.
And if you sniff to put it back down, you can see it's smooth. So, the whole idea of the sniff lift is to activate your core. Your core comprises of your abdominal muscles that work with your back muscles, the pelvic floor, and the diaphragm all together. This is why weightlifters do that quick breath in before they lift. But in everyday life, we just need to do a quick sniff before we lift. Thank you.